Hi, third graders. In today's phonics lesson, we discussed 4 different prefixes. We have un, dis, in, and non. For today's activity, you're going to use the words down here in green boxes. You're going to click them and drag them up into the column based on their prefix. So unusual has the prefix un, so I would grab it and move it underneath un in that column. I would do the same thing for all of the words that have the prefix dis, in, and non. So all of these words will eventually be up here in your columns. When you're finished moving all of the words and putting them where they belong, then there is a second slide with this, and it looks like this. You're going to choose 4 of the words from the previous slide and type them into these first 4 boxes. Then you're going to use those words in a complete sentence. So if there's a word that you aren't quite sure what it means, so if I go back to the first slide, maybe I don't know what disappear means. If I don't know what it means, then I'm either going to have to get a dictionary and look up the word if my teacher allows me, or choose different words that I know what they mean and can use them in a sentence. Okay, so if I chose the word nonstop, I would go to this slide, I would type in nonstop in this column, and then next to it, I would use the word nonstop in a sentence. The cars were going nonstop on the racetrack. Okay, notice I used a capital letter and I ended my sentence with a punctuation mark, and I used my word in a sentence that made sense. Okay, so your first activity is to sort all of the words. Your second activity is then to use 4 of those words that you sorted, type them out, and then use them in sentences.